Alright, we're now in the self-serve config options. The powerful thing about this plugin is, again, that we're trying to crowdsource the process to our end users, knowing that most organizations don't have enough full-time employees to manage Apple VPP accounts all day long. So what we want to do is allow any member of our organization to purchase VPP vouchers, but we do not want them redeeming those vouchers in the Apple education portal themselves and making purchases themselves. We would like some control over what apps we purchase, knowing what those apps are, controlling the code distribution, and this plugin is going to automate that for us. So when an end user has an Apple VPP voucher, they'll simply come to the front end of this plugin, they'll log in, and they can redeem that voucher within the plugin. When they redeem their very first voucher, you can ask them for a little bit of additional information, because on the back end your program manager is going to need to assign them a program administrator. Which employee is going to handle all requests that this person makes in the future? Just knowing the person's name may be enough for you, and if it is, you can leave this blank. If, however, you're a large organization and you don't know the name of every employee, you might want to ask them some additional detail. For me, knowing what location they're in is how I control who is going to administer their program. My program administrators are based geographically on buildings. So my additional question is going to be their location. And I need to give them some options. This will populate their drop-down menu. So you obviously want to start with please select one. You can put an asterisk next to something that'll be a heading and then type your choices. So I have a bunch of that I've already prepared here, so I'll paste those in. So I have please select one. High schools will be an option group, a bold. These are my high schools. Then I have junior high schools. I have elementary schools. I have special sites. I have administrative. So I'm going to save this. And the plugin's actually going to show you a preview of what your end user will see. So when they redeem their very first voucher, they'll see a field that says location, and this is what their drop-down will look like. So this is a preview of what you entered up here. And I'm happy with that. That's going to populate my front end nicely.